Hey guys, welcome to my Sugar Rush. I'm going to be unboxing two things for you today. The first thing I have is two aprons from Hedley and Bennett. They make gorgeous aprons if you're not familiar with them. I have worn their aprons before, but I've never bought like my own good quality apron, which is a shame because I'm a pastry chef. So this is the one that they call their bubblegum apron. So pink. This is just a normal apron with a strap that goes around your neck, and then you can adjust it here if you don't want it hanging too low. Ugh. It's got gorgeous stitching. It has their little logo on there, super cute. It has like another accent of pink for the straps and some of the stitching here. And then it's got really long straps to go around your waist. Then you can easily tie it and have some hanging down. Or if you do want it tied around the back, if you can't make it back around the front, that's totally fine too. And then it has two very deep pockets, so you can put whatever you want in these pockets. It's just really pretty. I really like this. I would wear this all the time just because it's such a bright color and not an easy color to find. I tried looking everywhere for a couple months to find like a nice pink apron that was actually good quality. And it's a little hard to see, but this apron does go down to almost my knees, so it has good coverage. You wouldn't want an apron that doesn't cover enough. I'm assuming so. And then if you wanted to, you could fold this over and tie it high on your waist if you don't want the top portion of the apron. So this next one is going to be their Char crossback apron. This is not quite black. It's a really, really dark gray, and then it's got black straps. I think it's gorgeous. Who doesn't love black? Black goes with everything. So here you have the front of the apron, and then if you look at the back here, you actually have the straps, they connect together. And then after these straps connect, they actually go through the corner of your apron in the back. I like how it stays connected like that. And again, it's totally adjustable so that depending on your waistline or whatever, however you like to have the apron sitting, then you can adjust it to exactly what you want. This one is going to be a little bit more tricky to put on because you have to kind of run your arms through this and then put it over your head. And then there's just a bit more adjusting that goes into this, but whatever, it's not that big of a deal for me. So you can see how this one nicely crosses in the back. And I really like that because it doesn't hang on your neck. And as you're working throughout the day, if you're wearing this apron, especially if you're wearing it daily, that would constantly just rub on your neck and that would get so annoying. So I really like this. It's nice, it stays put, and it's black. I love it. A nice little added touch to this one is that it has a little towel loop here on the hip. Having it off to the side is really nice so that it's not in the way of these beautiful deep pockets, and it's just right there on your hip, still accessible and easy to use. And then if you need to get out of it, just untie it. But I still think that this char color and the crossback design is going to be my personal favorite. I still love the pink. I don't think it is quite as complimentary to my hair, so that's just a personal problem that I have to deal with. So my next unboxing is going to be for Snibbs Footwear. I did some research on them, and apparently these are created by an orthopedic surgeon specifically for working professionals who are on their feet all day, every day, such as nurses and doctors and people who work in restaurants, pastry chefs, anything like that. These are supposed to be for you. Let's unbox this. Open this up. Ooh. So here are the shoes right out of the box. I chose the black color. Again, black goes with everything. And although it comes with the black shoelace as well, you can swap it out for this black and white pattern, and I think I actually might do that. That's pretty cool. What I like about these shoes is that it's a nice, simple design, so they should be easier to clean because my shoes get so dirty in the kitchen. I drop things on my shoes all the time. When I touch this part right here, it's almost like touching a bathing suit, so it's like that type of material, whatever material that is. I really like the speckled bottom edge on all their shoes. I think it's just a nice little added design that gives it something a little extra. These also have like a nice textured bottom, so they should be non-slip, and that's extremely important when you're working in a kitchen. And it's got these stretchy bands on the top as well, which should make it easier to slip your shoes on. Right now I'm just wearing Crocs because I think they're comfy as well, but not really practical in the kitchen. So just take those off. Okay, here are the shoes. They're pretty comfy and I think they're pretty stylish and a nice simple design as well. I'm gonna pour some water on this. Look at that. Look at that. That water just rolls right off of the shoe and I don't feel it at all. That's pretty cool. So normally I would wear an 8 to an 8.5, but I think that I would probably actually go up to a 9 on these. They're pretty tight. I think I'm just gonna keep the size that I have, break them in, and just see how it goes from there. And hopefully they'll be okay after that. Just saying Snibbs like makes me feel like I'm in a Dr. Seuss movie. Like a Sneed, like a Sneed. So a year ago, I finally decided to invest in myself instead of just my business. And I bought better shoes as well as nice cushiony mats to stand on that a lot of professional kitchens have. But those shoes that I bought a year ago have worn down quite a bit. So I'm really excited to try these Snibbs Footwear and just see how they go. I will give you guys an update on that, but I'm pretty excited about this. If these are made by an orthopedic surgeon, that's awesome. Thanks for watching my unboxing video. Let me know if you have any questions and go check them out for yourselves. I'm going to drop a link below for Hedley and Bennett as well as Snibbs Footwear so that you can check out their brands for yourself. And while you're here, why don't you go check out some of these other videos? Bye!